Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. Credit cards that pull exclusively from Equifax. A lot of times people are having issues with their credit report. Maybe on Transunion they got too many inquiries, and let's say on the Experian they might have a late payment, but on the Equifax it's clear, it's looking good. Who can they look at that pulls exclusively from Equifax? So I'm gonna give you a couple credit cards that you could take your notes, get your own information, and at that point you can move forward. First on the list is Lake Michigan Credit Union. Start learning about these different banks, these different credit unions that I'm giving y'all so you can learn. A lot of time people are stuck on the same 10 banks. We need to get over that. We need to get past that. We got some fresh new banks and credit unions that you could go to and get a lot of personal funding and business funding. So again, they have their Visa card that you could get with them, and they have a business side which is really good. So let's go over to the business side real quick. And as you see on the business side, you'll be able to get, again, commercial loans, small business loans, lines of credit, credit cards, any kind of business funding that you're looking for, you'll be able to get with Lake Michigan Credit Union. Again, go ahead, if you want to build a strong relationship, open up a savings account, start depositing some money in there, and go ahead and get that funding, right? So that's number one on the list. Number two on the list is Bank Plus. You're probably saying out there, what is that? Again, I'm trying to give you different ones so you can learn about different banks, different credit cards and stuff like that. There's a lot of credit cards, a lot of different credit cards that you'll be able. So they have a Visa card that you can apply for. If you considering applying for it, you're gonna need at least a 675 credit score or more, right? Next on the list is Citizen Bank. You know, I haven't really been a super big fan of Citizen Bank, but again, they're giving out a bag. They have the credit cards, which pulls from Equifax. Now, I'll let you know now, if you build a relationship with Citizen Bank, I have a close friend of mine that recently got over $100,000 business line of credit with them. But again, you got to start establishing that relationship with them. And as you see, you can get pre-qualified. Learn the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. I did a video on that. So you can see if you could take that step to move forward and get some funding with them, you know, on the personal or business side, but they do look at Equifax, so that's a good thing. Next on the list, right, is the Total Visa card. Now I'm gonna let you know, compared to these is regular credit cards. Now we're looking at secured cards. Again, I always say take advantage of some of these secure cards like Capital One, where if you do get approved for a secure card, and let's say it's a $200 limit, but you got 2, 3, 4, 5,000 sitting in an account that you want to invest, take that money and add to your limit, increase your credit score. The easy way to build your credit score within 90 days. Again, this is the Total Visa secure card, people. Just keep in mind, right? Let's go over to Milestone. Milestone is another one. Yes, I got a lot of issues with it. Annual fees and stuff like that, high interest rate. But again, if you're trying to get in the door, you're looking for something that can report to Equifax that's going to be pulling Equifax, Milestone is another one that you can look at. Again, not the best card to have, I will have to say, but can get you in the door. And if you're looking for something that's looking at Equifax, this is one of them, right? So let's go to a next one. Next one is the Discover It Secure Card, people. Not the regular blue card, which pulls Experian. The secure card looks exclusively at Equifax. Again, start building your credit. If you're having problems in the past of bankruptcy, if you have a problem of rebuilding your credit, these are steps that you should be taking if you're trying to build that credit score and you're trying to get out that hole. And again, they will be looking at your Equifax, and there's no annual fee on that, right? Next on the list, I will have to say, people, out of all 7 of these credit cards, PenFed, besides that, you could have put 25 credit cards, banks in front of me. PenFed will usually come number 1 or number 2. Why? They got a pre-qualification. All you got to do is open up a savings account with little as $5, people. I have in the past, I had 2 auto loans in the past with them. Easy process, got my funding, got my vehicles, and kept it moving. I have 2 of their credit cards, and they like to lend out that money. But the thing with PenFed is that they want you to build a strong relationship. And for all 3 of their cards, they're gonna be looking at Equifax. So I just want you to keep that in mind if you want to move forward. And you can see your pre-qualification here, but my advice is to you, if you do it or not, Go ahead, open up a savings account, $5. And it doesn't even matter, because if you do get pre-qualified, they're going to ask you to open a savings account, man. Start building a relationship, man. They're giving out auto loans. They're giving out money when it comes to PenFed. And for all those, once again, let's talk about it. I want to see everybody win, but it starts with you. It starts with you. Stop being lazy. Sometimes people saying, I'm working, I got this. Listen, get a job. Pay your bills with your job. Get a side job. They got Uber Eats. They have DoorDash. They have Instacart. They have the Amazon one you could do with your car. You could go drop off deliveries and stuff like that. Use that money to pay back your debt, because a lot of times I'm speaking with people on the phone and they'll say, hey, but all my money's tied up in my bills. Get a side job. Go out there, work 8 hours, work 10 hours, 11 hours. Come home, do a little side job for 2 hours. We got to stop making excuses. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the next level, right? So let's go over to the website once again. Right here, Whoiskingshawn.com will be in the description right below. If you want to fix your credit, you're having issues. We're having issues with collections. You're having issues with charges. You're having issues with late payments. You got issues with being in the check system when it comes to credit unions. Everything is in this book. Free, people, as you see right here. Absolutely free. Zero. Download it, start working on your credit report, your mindset, and start working on your future, people. You can't just think you're going to dedicate your next 30, 40 years for a company and not be focused on what you're trying to do. There's a lot of money out there, but you got to go out there and get it, right? So that's the personal credit repair book if you want to work on the business side, right? For those that might be a little advanced. I understand, everybody's not struggling on the personal side, but now they might have problems with the business side. Well, here I'm giving you the guide that's going to show you step by step, people. You have an issue with your credit scores on the business side. I'm going to show you how to grow those credit scores. A lot of people want to know, can I just add 5, 6, 7 net 30s on my account? And would that work? Absolutely not. If you're going out there and you're trying to get a commercial auto loan and they see 4, 5, 6 net 30s, they're going to automatically deny you. I showed you steps, videos showing you how to build your business side, not only the right way, but the proper way, A to Z. And here I'm going to show you different kind of primary accounts where you can add and start growing your business scores, people. It starts with you. I want to see everybody win. Again, these credit cards, all I'm showing you here is pulling exclusively from Equifax. And tomorrow, maybe even later on today, I'm going to be dropping the last one, which will be Transunion, because I want to make sure everything's covered. Different products, different banks, different credit unions that you could go to, instead of the same old ones that people are showing you online or friends or family are telling you. Again, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.